Zara here. Thanks for watching my channel Techno Zara. Today I have discovered a new crypto website which is named by Prosperity Token, and it's very amazing, as well as it has the name, so it has the features just like honesty, trustworthy and hardworking. And we will check out all the features, all details in this video, so stay tuned. Before starting the video, its review, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can easily approach my upcoming videos. Okay guys, one thing that I must say is start that before taking any decision about investment, you must trust your own research. Okay, now we review this token, Prosperity Token. We are in on the home page, and up in the top you can see their social media links: Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And up in the exchange, and Prosperity Token, honesty, trustworthy and hardworking, tech rate, audit rate available. Here is the Prosperity Mall under maintenance, and the first 100% all cryptocurrency multi-vendor marketplace where you can easily find all types of cryptocurrency in this mall. And here the Prosperity Lottery, first PSC 100% crypto lottery and casino. Enjoy our exciting game: American roulette, animal slots, fruit slots, baccarat, blackjack, casino, hold'ems, head or tails, horse trading, horse racing and more to come. It's very amazing. And Prosperity Mall, we have already done it, the first 100% crypto mall which all the cryptocurrency available. Prosperity Lottery, 100% crypto lottery and casino. And Prosperity Audit, where the contract address and website audits available. Prosperity Chart, where cryptocurrency charts system available. Prosperity Tokenomics, we have to check 6% reflection, disbursement with holders, liquidity, marketing wallet and community wallet, where 2% to the holders equal rewarding, and 2% to liquidity which is locked with PancakeSwap, 1% for the marketing to Prosperity marketing for day projects and advertisement, and 1% to community, faucet and airdrops. Innovation, the Prosperity is always looking for new innovative way to introduce new use cases to the crypto world. Here we have the introduction about the team. The team is looking very hard working. Our core team, those involved in our project, are here to make sure Prosperity Token and all of our utilities are successful. Don H., who is the Chief Executive Officer, CEO. Felix P., Chief Operating Officer, COO. Jason K., Chief Financial Officer, CFO. Ibrahim B., Africa Relation Officer, ARO. Tosin O., Mall Management Officer, MMO. Chairman R., Chief Marketing Officer, CMO. Prosperity Information, and here is the BSC Scan, bscscan.com, and here is the contract address which you can copy and then paste on the PancakeSwap, so you can easily get your coins, get your tokens. Here is the nomics.com dex chart and top cryptocurrency by market cap. Here is the address available, and by admin Prosperity website update, and Prosperity website will be accessible while being updated live. We greatly appreciate your patience, and it's October 1st 2021, and they say that contact us directly on Telegram, so join their Telegram group so you can easily get in touch with them, and all the updates you can get it. Now we check out the other properties. Here we have the white paper. prosperity token, and it's about the 7 pages, and prosperity token launch guide, pre-sale, and about static reward, and automatic LP gain, manual burns, disclaimer, introduction to prosperity token, and manual burns, and then prosperity protocol and prosperity team, and finally the table of contents, so you can easily read it yourself and get more information about the token. And now we check out the prosperity map. Here we have the prosperity map where you can easily check out their sale, purchase, and all the graphs, and it's available here for weekly, monthly, yearly base, and you can in touch with them and check out the graph by weekly, monthly, yearly, and you can easily get all the information about the token. And here is the tech rate available. You can check their PDF and read out all the details about tech rate. And now I will show you how to buy your tokens on the PancakeSwap. Okay, open your Trust Wallet and then go on the custom token, and you have to copy the BSC address, contract address. You have to copy first of all, and then you will click on add custom token. Here the page open, and that address which you have already copy pasted here. Oh sorry, first of all change it into smart chain and then copy the address. Here you see prosperity token symbol PRPT decimal 9. It has done, and add to your PancakeSwap. It's add to your wallet prosperity token. Now if you sell and purchase, you can find here your all details. Now we back to PancakeSwap. First of all click the dApps. Here you click PancakeSwap. It's opening. Here we have the PancakeSwap. So you guys check out that here the details about the token name and currency. Here you click this, so you write the name PROS. Here the prosperity token available, and you put the amount. Sorry, I have wrong click. And here you first of all enter the name of the token. Here we have, and then put the token amount and then the currency amount. For example, here we have 1 point, or we have to purchase 1000. So here you can enter the currency, and then you connect to wallet. First of all select the currency or paste the address, so you can easily and connect to wallet, so you can easily purchase your token. And if guys you want to contact them, you can click here and text them. Here the exchange option. Here you can if you contact us, then here you have the option. You can message them, enter your ID, So we have all check out the details about the prosperity token, and we have done the review. So hopeful that you like the video. So till then, my next video, take care of yourself, stay happy.